In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Apple Magic Mouse to your iPad Air 6th generation. It's very easy. So the first thing we need to do is to actually make sure that this Apple mouse is turned on. So I'll switch it on by flicking this small switch until I see the green color here. Make sure it's charged as well. Then after doing this, you're going to go into the settings of this iPad. Then on the left side, you're going to select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and under other devices over here you're going to see Magic Mouse. Click on it and it will be added to your devices. Now if I move the mouse, you're going to see over here everything is moving, the cursor is over there. Now if you go on the left side here, you're going to select General, go down and select trackpad and mouse on the right side. And here you can select a different tracking speed for your mouse in case you want it to be faster or slower. But I don't know many people who likes to make it that slow. I like to keep it in the middle. Then you have natural scrolling. Honestly, I didn't notice much difference with this feature on or off. And you can also have secondary click. Right now it's turned off by default, but you can select, let's say, like on a Mac, to have the right click. So these are the different customizations you can do. Otherwise, just use it like on any computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.